The introduction of the internet has made email marketing an important tool for any business. However, most of the campaigns that people get in their inboxes are so poorly written nobody takes note of them. Learn what email marketing is, why and how companies should use it. Email marketing is a type of direct marketing and it uses email to communicate to the audience. In general, any email sent to a customer, potential or current, is considered email marketing. Nevertheless, when being specific, the term means a merchant sending emails to previous or current customers to cultivate loyalty and encourage repeat business. Sending emails to try and win new customers or convince the existing ones to buy something. Including advertisements to emails that other companies send to their customers. What are the key advantages of email marketing over traditional marketing? You can track the return on investment and when done properly, it is high. After search marketing, email marketing is the most effective method of online marketing. Advertisers have access to multiple email subscribers. Almost all internet users send and check their email daily. Through email marketing, marketers can send dynamic, relevant, and personalized messages. Transaction emails help businesses to automatically attend to consumer events. The cons of email marketing include spam or rejection rate of the sent emails by the customer's email program, which does not have a positive effect on the delivery rate of emails. Email marketing is cost-effective. It does not matter whether you use an email marketing agency or do it yourself, sending emails to thousands of consumers will cost way less than other advertising channels will. Email usually target the ideal customer. Coupled with the cost-effectiveness of this method, the ROIs of other direct marketing strategies have nothing on email marketing. Even with the rise of social media, email is still an important part of most people's lives. So if you are an entrepreneur, one of the best things you can do for your business is build a lucrative email marketing campaign. Many people, however, have no idea how to. Everywhere people look they are met with advertisements, pitches, and all kinds of interruption. Although you might think yours is unique, the reader, most likely, cannot tell the difference. Never forget the space that you are in and always have your best manners. Being in another person's inbox is similar to being invited over to their house for dinner. If your host requires you to take off your shoes, you do not argue. The same case applies to email marketing, it is their personal space and you have to be respectful. Acquiring permission is the first step to having a successful email marketing campaign. You need to have a sizable email list. You might do this by giving freebies, offering product updates, or a newsletter. There is no right or wrong way between the two, provided you express a clear purpose when requesting someone's address. Make people excited to give their addresses instead of just writing, "Enter your email for updates." Great email service providers strive to ensure that major ISPs do not block your emails. They have no control of where your emails end up, spam box or inbox. Getting whitelisted ensures proper delivery of your emails. You get whitelisted by having your recipient add you to their address book. Always give instructions on how to do this in every email. Set your expectations. A strong call to action and consistent follow-up is the ingredients of a positive campaign. Do not promise to send out one email in a week and then send emails every day. Deliver on your promise, whatever it is. Step in your reader's shoes if you plan to pitch often. Your messaging should be consistent with the expectations you set. Always ask yourself what value you are adding. The best newsletters, for most readers, are those that mix updates and messaging properly. When you are sending out a newsletter with images and product updates, try to include a friendly update or personal message. Instead of talking to your list only when you have something to sell, utilize autoresponder and schedule content for consistent delivery. Whenever you attend events, collect as many email addresses as you can. Your readers should know what they are signing up for. An email service provider will do a great job deploying your email blasts. Email service providers help you create designed emails, view performance records, manage unsubscribe requests, and your address list. An ESP also offers you a collection of pre-built templates, making it possible for you to design emails without having coding skills. Almost half of your subscribers open their email on a mobile device. Consider your email audience while designing or selecting an email template. Most ESPs indicate whether a template is mobile-friendly or not. Do not make an email 100% about selling your product. It is a great opportunity to create a relationship with your audience and promote your brand. Balance promotional and informative content for you to have a trusting and loyal subscriber base. Have test accounts with the most popular email clients, Outlook, AOL, Gmail, and Yahoo, to see how your email appears to different readers. Send a copy to each of your testing addresses before you send to your audience. Email ending up in spam instead of inbox is a common problem. Subscribe to your newsletter using several email platforms with a testing email or your personal email. After sending an email, check your inbox, and if they land in the spam folder almost every time, you have a problem and you should contact your specialist. What time should you send your email? Should your name be in the subject line? You can only know the answers by experimenting because every subscriber base is different. Know what the law requires of you and adhere to it. For U.S. citizens, there is the CAN-SPAM Act that governs sending out emails. Be consistent to keep the readers engaged and maintain a healthy relationship with them. Anytime you are developing a newsletter, remember that you are crafting it for people who are curious to hear from you. Your newsletter is an awesome opportunity to make your loyal readers have an interest in your new book or business and maintain a relationship with them between publications. With that knowledge, here is a rundown of what you might want to include. Clear publication and book details. A short account of the writing process or research. Current events or articles of interest. Behind-the-scene photos and/or information. Important links. Social media links, subscribe or unsubscribe link, retailer links, and author website links. There isn't a definite rule about the frequency of newsletters, but to be more effective, let it be regularly and consistently. Some people prefer to send them out more regularly when the publication date is around the corner because they have much to talk about with the audience. Did you know that your email marketing database depreciates by approximately 22% each year? Your subscribers' email addresses keep changing and you should take it upon yourself, as a marketer, to add fresh contacts to your list. A 2014 survey found out that email marketing has the highest ROI compared to other marketing channels when it comes to web-based businesses. Given the results of that survey, instead of wondering whether you should build an email marketing list, you should be asking yourself how to create one right now. Content upgrades are the difference between a 6% and a 60% conversion rate. Drip feed emails deliver scheduled messages on a timeframe of your choice. These emails could be a great source of leads and extra revenue if you do it right. They are sent to customers that have subscribed to a free report. Knowing what kind of emails to send and coming up with possible campaign ideas is not enough. What matters is mastering the basics and building on a strong foundation. Follow these tips to create your very first automated campaign. You can bombard all your subscribers with the same message, but that does not mean that you should. Every email marketing platform has segmentation options to allow you to divide customers using specific criteria like industry, location, and what they purchased. This increases your click-through rates. Lack of real personalization in your emails will increase your unsubscribe notifications. Video is the fastest and most effective medium of communication in marketing. It therefore goes without saying that you have to use video in your email if you want to create brand awareness, educate your subscribers, or increase conversions. The online marketplace is ever-changing. A marketing tactic can be effective today and obsolete tomorrow. Email, however, keeps outperforming all the other marketing channels. Why is email so powerful? What makes it stay in power? It is easy to overlook email as a marketing channel. You may not find it trendy and exciting like Facebook. But it has key advantages over other channels. Take a look at the demographics of popular social media platforms. Women use Pinterest the most, while Snapchat is for the younger generation. On the other hand, almost everyone has an email address. People willingly submit their email addresses and they obviously expect to receive emails from you. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel.